Hello, ma'am. So,
Hello.
first of all, I would just like to give a brief introduction of you, what so far I've learned about you. So, we have Professor Neeta Mishra today from Babu Banarsi Das University, Lucknow. She has more than 20 years of experience in oral medicine and radiology. And today we will be talking about the courses and new programs that are being offered by the Oral Medicine and Radiology Department of BPDU. So let's start. So I'll start with what is the latest program that you're offering in your institute or in your particular department, basically, which will help the students outperform and stand apart from the crowd.
We offer BDS course as well as MDS course.
Okay.
So MDS Oral Medicine and Radiology, and that is the we diagnose cases. We radiology, it is the BDS and MDS course.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah. And like BPDU, there are many courses, but particular department of oral medicine and radiology offers MDS in oral medicine and radiology.
Okay.
And in the meantime, we also offer some certificate courses, sometimes we do workshops on laser dentistry, sometimes we do workshop on forensic odontology. So these kind of programs we are doing to make our students capable.
Sure. So what are the factors that make these programs best for the students? Why should student opt for these programs?
If a student is opting for this kind of program, actually it is a very interesting first thing. Second thing, for social causes, like if you diagnose a case properly, then only a treatment is possible. So learning how to diagnose, how to investigate, that is the biggest thing. So nowadays MSME and everybody is giving loans and for investigations, putting up a diagnostic center, and so we basically deal with diagnosis. So if a person is very much interested in oral medicine radiology, they should do it to core of heart, that it is a good subject to take us in very high. That is the thing.
Sure. What will you say are some of the best practices that you have at your college for this course?
Yeah. As a best practice, we will say, as a student comes, we are not teaching only the subject. We are teaching how to implement the subject in life, how to implement the subject in their practices, how they can use to be a better diagnostician or better oral physician. Mm-hmm. So they can get such a kind of holistic environment. The personality development is also a part of it.
Okay.
So if a person is just taking knowledge and no practice, that doesn't give a better practices in when it comes out of the college. Mm-hmm. So we have to prepare a student to be a better physician too.
Sure. Yeah. So what would you say makes this program at BBDU different from any other university? Is there anything, everything apart from everything you have already mentioned, that you are giving best practices also?
Yeah.
So, anything you would like to add on that this course is different in BBDU than any other college?
Definitely. Harvinder, there are many colleges all over India, all over UP of dental colleges. What is the best thing about BBDU is, first thing is, you don't have to waste time in waiting for exams. 4-year course becomes 5.5 years. Upper hand in the thing that if it is announced as 4-year course, the student can complete it in 4 years. If it is announced as 4.5 years, it completes in 4.5 years, and is in the same batch, he is eligible for join other course, or want to go for exams, or further something, or job. So they are they just come out and go for job. So other universities still are waiting for exams, and results are also very much in time. We have no lagging. We are preparing as exams gets over. We just start up with in full course how to check how to complete tabulating everything, and it is so time based and so much of you can't say no any partiality something, because everything is on record, so nothing can be changed or something. It's very neat and clean thing. First thing. Second thing is campus is beautiful. It has everything which a student wants to be there. Like we have a world class stadium, Ranji Trophy matches, and hockey, and everything is being played there. And it is not that sometime, it is every year. Because of COVID, it was a lot like closed for some time, but now again started. And we have a lush green environment. We have a temple that is beautiful, and ample of space to roam about, to develop yourself, to with studies get everything. So that is the beauty of BBDU.
Definitely. I mean, the overall aspect of it, all the things. Great. So,
Yeah.
so you have already told me about like there's option of starting your own lab once you graduate from this program. Is there any other business venture, or you can say industry, we can start from after graduating this?
Yeah, there are many. Like if a person comes out from doing oral medicine and radiology, they can open up their diagnostic center, they can open up their clinic, they can be research associate in further other universities. There are nowadays government is giving so much of research facilities. They can do like projects, they can take government projects, they can do in industries. So these kind of things are there, and everyone who is there, they can get enough of experience to continue as a oral medicine radiologist.
Yeah, so I was asking, are there any challenges that are associated particularly with this course for you or even for the students?
Challenges are there in every field here also. So the thing is that it is a vast subject. It deals with like all the diseases as well as its investigation.
Okay.
So a vast subject, and the thing is that they have to complete in 3 years. The person who wants to get settled down early, so it is difficult for them. But nowadays early settlement is nowhere. So these challenges are well taken up, and they have to very much in time, in like they should learn better that with time. Like if artificial intelligence and all these things, new things are coming up, and the person has to very much in the like same time frame. They can't lag.
Yeah.
So they have to take future aspects are there.
Sure. Anything you would like to add on, or anything students should be looking forward to if they're taking this course at BBDU?
Yeah. Any student who opts for oral medicine and radiology, or in the sense that BDS course, those students have a like first thing should be there that they are on their own. They don't have to depend anyone to give a job. This is a professional course, and wherever they want, they can open up a clinic. They can be of so much use to society as well as their parents.
Okay.
and family. Like if you saw in COVID times, everything was closed, everything, but doctors were on their toes,
Definitely.
and they have to work, and they no government can stop a doctor from working. So these kind of thing was there. So job prospects is good, they can be of help of everyone. So anyone choosing B or MDS, that thing is good. I am very like welcoming all the students to come and join BBDU to have a great time with us. And I know many students we have. As the interview is going on, then also I got a just a old student who has just come to meet.
Okay.
So these kind of thing are there. Once a student join, they love the campus, they love the teachers, and we also love our students. So these not only as a teacher, we become as a guardian, and I love to be as a guardian with the students. So these things are there, and anyone joining BDS course, most welcome.
Great, great. That was really great to hear from you, and I really enjoyed our talk. So thank you so much, ma'am.